Hey guys, welcome to my packing video. Today I'm packing for a 5-day cruise to the Bahamas on the Norwegian Sky. So we have, let's see, I think 4 ports of call or 5 ports of call. We don't have any sea days, so I'm not packing too many normal outfits, I guess. Mostly what I'm packing is stuff for dinner. This is gonna be our 4th cruise. So when we go on cruises, me and my fiance, we dress up pretty much every night for dinner. A lot of people don't really like to, but I like to dress up. So I guess I'll show you those first. I've got, let's see, I've got this formal dress to wear to dinner, and I think that one's from Forever 21. I just got this one from Forever 21 to wear, and this dress, I think I got this one from JCPenney, and the last kind of fancy one is this one. It's got like a high-low thing. That one is from Dillard's, I believe. But those are the fancier ones. Let's see, how many is that? 3 fancy ones. And then I just have this summery dress if I feel like not dressing up. I think this one's from H&M. But yeah, this is the least dressy thing that I have for dinner, really. Oh, shoes. I always wear heels to dinner just because I really don't get to wear heels that often when I'm at home. So I brought these Steve Maddens. I'm probably going to wear these with this high-low dress. And these gray ones, they're from Michael Kors. So that one, these shoes is going to be for this gray dress and this creamy sparkly one. And these shoes, I haven't got to wear them yet. They're Jessica Simpson's. They're super high, so I'm kind of nervous about wearing them. But I'm going to wear those with this dress. So as you can see, I do not pack light. A lot of people like to pack light for cruises, but how many vacations do you get? And whenever me and my fiance go, I like to look nice for him. You know, it's just fun to get dressed up every now and then. So those are all my dinner outfits. And let's see, when we go to port, I'm probably going to wear, I have a little crop top to wear. I don't know if I'll wear it or not. This one's from H&M. It was like $3. I don't know if I'll wear it, but I'm going to bring it just in case. When we get off the ship, I don't really like to wear swimsuit covers just because when we're in the port, we normally just go to beaches. We don't really do any crazy excursions or anything like that. We just like to go to the beach. So just in case we do something else once we get off the ship, I like to wear something like overalls or like blue jean shorts or something over my bathing suit, just in case we decide to do something else or go to a restaurant or something. I don't want to be in a restaurant in just my swimsuit and cover up and stuff. So I brought overalls to wear in port. And then I'm also going to bring these high-waisted shorts to wear, like I said, either over a bathing suit, or I also have these 2 shirts to wear with my blue jean shorts. This one's from Forever 21, and it's kind of like a little crop top. And then this is just a nice cozy, like a loungy shirt, but I don't even know if I'll wear those. Like I said, I don't pack light. I pack way more than I need to pack, just in case I need something, or if I get on the ship and I'm not really in the mood to wear whatever I had planned on wearing, because you know, once you get in the situation, it doesn't really go how you plan sometimes. So if I get on there and don't feel like wearing something nice, I can just throw on this little outfit. And I also am bringing this little summery dress, just to throw on over a swimsuit, like I said, or if we want to go to dinner or a show or something, I might wear that, but just as a backup. And same with this outfit. I might wear it to dinner. It's like kind of like overalls, but not really. They're kind of like a bell bottom, like a retro kind of style. But it's these with just a little one piece to wear under it. Just a comfier outfit if I don't feel like wearing a dress. And I'm gonna bring these shoes to wear on port because I normally just wear flip-flops all the time anyway, but like I said, I like to look nicer when we go on vacations and stuff, so probably wear these in port and even on the ship. So last clothing item is going to be bathing suits. It's a 5-day cruise, and I bring different suit for every day, so I'm not re-wearing suits. A lot of people will only bring 2 or 3, and just once they dry, wear them again, but I like to wear something different every day. So I just actually got these 2 one pieces. I normally wear bikinis, but I thought these were really cute in the store. This one's from Aerie, and I've got this one from Forever 21, and just a couple of bikinis from Victoria's Secret also. Let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm really bringing 6 swimsuits, so that's fine. And then I've also got these 2 cover-ups. These are from Forever 21. I do a lot of shopping there, apparently. But this is just a strapless little mesh cover-up. It's got a little tie in the front. And this little flowy one. Yep, so this one will just be cute to wear around the ship too. It's nice and flowy, so it'll be cute. But I think that's all the clothes that I have. I'm also going to bring 2 sun hats. I get burnt very easy, so I just have to lather up on sunscreen and everything. So I really like these hats to protect my nose, of course, and they're so wide they also cover my shoulders, which I really like. So I'm going to bring 2 of those just to kind of match my outfits a little more. And I'm also bringing just a couple of essentials I want to tell you about. These are items that I typically forget. So bring a water bottle with you on the ship. They don't have bottled water unless you pay like $5 for a bottle of water, but you can refill your own at the fountains. So we don't ever get a drink package or anything like that. They have drink packages for sodas and alcohol and stuff, but we don't drink enough to make up for that, so we just drink the water and juice, and that's usually fine for us. An umbrella. I don't normally bring an umbrella, but I checked the weather for this cruise, and it's supposed to rain, so I'm hoping it doesn't, but bring an umbrella. Last time it rained, they gave us some ponchos on Norwegian. As you get off the ship, they give each of you a poncho, so you don't really need an umbrella, but just in case. And of course, bug spray. You need bug spray. You don't know what kind of bugs are going to be around. I always see like those little sand flies and stuff, and this really helps with those because those are super itchy. And we also bring our own snorkel masks. I think our first cruise we went on, we did like a beach day in Cozumel, and there was a little stand that had snorkeling, so it was like $10. So we went over there to get the equipment and everything, and the life jackets they had, you had to blow them up yourself, and they had these like really dirty looking goggles. So since then I just ordered these on Amazon. I think they were like $16 a piece from Amazon, so that's way worth it than having to deal with all that other nasty stuff. And sunglasses. If you get seasick, I get motion sick sometimes. The last 2 cruises I didn't. The first one I kind of did because it was a smaller ship, but I always bring these just in case. I just have some non-drowsy equate version of Dramamine to take just in case. Get non-drowsy, otherwise you'll sleep all day. And then I also have C-bands, which is like a natural remedy for sickness. So if I start feeling sick, I do both of them just to kick it out. And let's see. In here I've got my pool shoes, because I really don't, when you're in port and you're walking around in the sand, sometimes there's rocks or seaweed in the ocean, and I don't like the way that feels on my feet. So if you don't like that, get some swim shoes. These are just from Walmart. And some towel clips. You don't have to have towel clips because your towel doesn't ever blow away or anything crazy like that while you're on the ship, but I just like to have these so I can find our chairs easier, because a lot of people don't really bring them, so you can find your stuff quick that way. And I always bring a little baggie for sand, because I like to get sand on all our ports and put it in a little jar and stuff. So I have little baggies and a Sharpie to write the port on there. And this doesn't apply to most of you, but if you wear heels a lot and you get blisters on the back from them not being broken or whatever, I saw on Pinterest that you can use this KT tape. It's for like muscle, healing your muscles and stuff. You just put it on your skin. But if you snip a little piece off and put it on the back of your heel, it'll help with blisters. So I'm going to do that on this cruise because I always get blisters. And last tip for all the ladies, make sure you bring extra hair bows and any type of bra and underwear that you need for your outfits. Make sure you have the right corresponding things. Like, you don't want to get stuck without the right necessities for that. So, oh, and here's my suitcase. I just got this one. It's huge. I haven't got to use it yet, but it's Jessica Simpson's from TJ Maxx. But like I said, I need this huge case for all my stuff. If I was gonna fly to port, then maybe I would do just a carry-on size, but we're driving, so we don't have to worry about any airport regulations or any of that jazz. So I just packed me a nice big suitcase so I'm not stuffing stuff in there. And I also just got, let me find them, some packing cubes. I know I'm kind of late to the game on packing cubes, but I just got these on Amazon, and I've never tried them out, but I'm going to try it for this cruise, see if I like them, see what all the fun's about. But yeah, that's what I'm taking. If you have any questions about stuff that you need to take on cruises, like I said, this is going to be my 4th one, and we've done Norwegian and Carnival, so hopefully many more in the future. But if you have any questions, leave in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. And I'll let you know how these packing cubes go. If I get them figured out, I might show you at the end how the inside of my suitcase looks. But